Hi guys, I'm Alex. Welcome to Common Reviews. As you may already know, Common is a window for the world to China's construction machinery. Today, I'm bringing you an excavator mounted pile breaker, manufactured by BeiYi machinery. Let's go and take a look.
BeiYi hydraulic pile breaker offers its several cylinders oil pressure, so power source and cylinder directly drive the chisels and squeeze the pile body at the same time to break the pile. It operates easily and has high efficiency with low noise and cost in the pile cutting construction process, which is suitable for pile group in construction engineering. Hydraulic pile breaker machine adopts highly modular combinations and connect modules through axis pins. It can break piles in certain ranges of diameter by different number of modules combination.
Hi guys, thanks for watching Common Reviews. Please stay tuned as we have more videos coming out in the next couple of days. See you soon.